Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share how to integrate WooCommerce into OmniSend. The first step is to find your account name, click the account name, and here you can find more options. Click the connect your store option, then you can find many e-commerce store options. Today our topic is WooCommerce. So I can select the WooCommerce and then you will click the connect now button. After click the connect now button, here you can download this plugin from the download button. After download the plugin, you will install the WordPress. Next, open the WordPress dashboard and you will see the plugin options on the right side. In the add new options, click the plugin. The upload plugin button allows you to upload plugins. Choose file. Click the install now button. And your plugin is installed. After installing the plugin, you can see now OmniSend option in the right side. Click the OmniSend option and press the general option. Click the WooCommerce install and activate. Install the WooCommerce plugin. After install the WooCommerce plugins, and you will click the connect your connect account button. If your account is login, then he will tell you that you are already login. After that, you have to click the approve button and your store is connected. Thank you so much for my watching videos. If you have any question, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.